In the continuation of the last episode, we are presenting our third apartment design case, Apartment C. The apartment is designed in a modern country style with a beautiful sky blue tone. It has the same dimensions as the previous case at 7 by 5 meters, and it features a one-bedroom layout. Let's check it out. In this episode, we also have another apartment design case featuring a Japandi-inspired style. You can find the link in the description. The previous episode of apartment design cases is also available in the description. Enjoy! This apartment is slightly larger and comes with a balcony and a separate laundry room. Additionally, it boasts a walk-in closet and double doors providing access to the bathroom from the bedroom. Remember to check out the featured 7 by 5 meters one-bedroom apartments in other episodes.